We have been traveling full-time in our camper for 3.5 years. Our Ford F-350 dually was recently due for an oil change, which led us to Sarasota Ford. But this is no ordinary car dealership. Nestled within Sarasota Ford is Le Mans Kitchen, where you can indulge in a Michelin star level dining experience. The atmosphere will whisk you away to a quaint French cafe in Le Mans. Every dish is crafted from scratch using sustainably sourced and fresh ingredients. For a truly immersive experience, I highly recommend indulging in this unexpected gem located within Sarasota Ford. Would you believe that there's also a movie theater and a massage room?